What's up everyone, and welcome to Robeytech, where I, Justin Robey, aka Robey-Wan Kenobi, talk tech with you wonderful people. Cooler Master is living up to its namesake with new AiO's across their Master Liquid lineup, with the addition of the ML Lite V2 and the ML240R, 280R, and 360R, with the improved radiator design and sickle flow V2 fans. Pricing goes from $119 up to $219 for the AiO's with built-in LED screens. That's right, LEDs in your coolers. I actually saw these at CES and it was actually pretty cool. Cooler Master has cleaned up their headset and peripheral design in 2020 with the new MH600 series of headsets. I gotta say, these look clean and comfortable, and I want like, I don't know, 50 pairs of them so I can just put them all over my body and be like a Voltron-esque Cooler Master headset robot. How could that not be awesome? I'm also completely smitten with their new MM821 mouse, which looks so ding-dang clean and tasteful with its RGB and extra buttons placed in perfect locations with wireless QI charging, but it also lets you charge via USB Type-C. We also have a couple of monitors, and while they aren't ludicrous 360 Hz refresh rate 49-inch ultra wides, these 1440p VA panels with 144 Hz refresh rates are nothing to sneeze at and are offered at relatively affordable prices of $299.99 for the GM27CF and up to $799.99 for the CM34CW heavy hitter. But the biggest thing by a country mile is the Cooler Master is not going to be outdone in the gaming throne area. No, literally one of the pieces of marketing art has a chair with a bunch of FPS weapons behind it, like the Iron Throne. They came out with not one, but 4 different chairs and a rolling mat for underneath your chair that is fresh AF. You know what AF means? You're too young and you probably should still be watching this, and that's okay. We have the Caliber X1 for $349.99, the Ergo L for $599.99, which Josh is super stoked about and wants Cooler Master to send him because an ergonomic gaming style RGB chair is right up his alley, and the Caliber R1 and R2 chairs, and the mat that's basically a giant mouse pad for the floor. I mean, who doesn't want that? Let me know what you thought about today's episodes in the comment below. Now, while you're down there, be sure to slap that subscribe button, hit that like button, and ring that notification bell so you get a notification each and every time we post a new video. Of course you want to know that. Also, head on over to mixer.com/Robey1Kenobi and give us a follow over there for our live show every Wednesday from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Pacific time. Also, be sure to drop us a follow over on Twitter and Instagram at Robey1Kenobi. Also, check us out over at Facebook.com/Robeytech. You know your mom wants to, and your dad, and your grandparents, and all the other older people who use Facebook. I use Facebook too. Wait, I'm old. Anyway, thanks for watching. Now go play some games. I'm gonna go feel better about myself. #BeefyCores.